Have you ever had to manage a complex project? If so, you'll know just how tricky it can be juggling all the different tasks and deadlines involved. It can be particularly challenging when you have a number of tasks that are dependent on each other or that must be completed in a certain order. Gantt charts are a useful way of presenting this information visually so that you know what tasks need to be completed, when, and in what order. They can also help you work out practical aspects of a project, such as the minimum time it should take to complete a task and which tasks need to be finished before others can start. If you want to learn more about how to create and use Gantt charts to manage your projects, watch the full video by joining the Mind Tools Club today at mindtools.com.